All right, so here I am in one of my most recent videos for TikTok Shop for Creators, where I'm promoting this solar-powered bug zapper. So I went through, everything's good, I edited, everything is just how I want it. Now it's time to post it on TikTok. So I have a few options. Either way, I need to hit export here in the upper right corner. Now this is going to automatically place this into my camera roll on my phone, but it's going to give me an option to go right into TikTok and post it directly. There's some pros and cons with that, and I'm going to show you the way that I do it. So make sure you listen closely. I also upload my videos in 4K, and my videos are usually between 200 and 400 megabytes, which is very sizable, probably about 12 times the amount as your average video. But being a video editor, I try and post the highest resolution, the best quality content that I can. One, because I want to lead by example. And two, because I think it just looks better. It doesn't always need to look professional, but I think when you're selling something, people want to see a clean, crisp picture. So now that my video is, or rather exported to my camera roll, I also have the option to share to TikTok. Now there's this button up above here, boost your video on TikTok. Now this, of course, is using Boost, which is TikTok's promotional paid advertising, which will get you views, it will get you followers. It does work, but there's the question of, are they valuable people to your audience? Do you want those people in there? And are they selected for you or just random people that they're getting in there? I don't feel it's worth it. I have used it before. It did great to get boosted views, but besides that, it did nothing for me. So I always leave that unchecked. I'm going to first start off by going to share TikTok. Share to TikTok.
Stop getting
so it brings me right in there.
Anything like
There's my video.
Anytime we try to do any, if you decide to pull accounts, stop. Make sure that you're ready and anything that you want gnawing at you and biting away
before you do this, because it's going to put it in whatever account you were in last.
That's when I found this little unit.
I've done that already. I have 3 TikTok accounts. This is in the one that I have
bugs out.
So I usually say your mode down because I want to add my sound.
Stop getting eaten alive. If your summer's been anything like mine, anytime we add, just for time's sake, I am going to say with the sound here. And I'm going to tone that down because I don't want to. We end up having to cancel and go inside or bearing on myself when I found a little yellow right here, 4,500 and so
make sure to include your original sound. But just checked already. Talking videos, they'll be bringing in on TikTok right still there. Yep.
Then just so what else it sound like. I want to like that song. They sure will say all your sets. Basically, let's see or to that favorite, so we'll run out there right long. And also the reset ones that you've gone through. We'll just tap on the screen to bring you out of that. No hell, it's not even an hour. So this is the time when I usually plug it in. So this video is on a 2-set bug zapper. So what I will do, and you don't need to do this on it just tonight, kind of helps ensure that it's going to be, you can categorize. I have mine for, but you're not sure what that is.
And when you go into any of your existing videos that are already on TikTok,
so you look at the top to the search bar.
There's a 4 topic spline that search bar. That means that video also categorized stuff here.
It usually has on the same from you can hang it or first just about anywhere. We will try and keep them away
all your line of your caption
away.
If you use a banner by the end, you put the banner on it, almost use that same thing there too.
That's the solo using it in all 3 phases. Higher if you use this, if you want to use your both sides also races, and this will most more likely categorize, get more sun out. Could do that while in your videos to get categorized as far as those that help as you're showing like those. So in this ways, I'm just going to put worst, and hopefully that bug catch here to start enjoying the outdoor.
Autocorrect kills me some
literal bug zapper, a summer saver. Even the last 2 babies in the back. Check out this guy here. Bug zapper shop. Stop getting eaten alive. If your summer's been in it,
and I will do this.
Anytime we try to do reinforcing outside, we always get stopped by mosquitoes, gnats, anything.
My whole volume wasn't too loud. We ended up toned it down in case you couldn't hear me.
That's when I found this little unit right here. 500 volts, solar powered, all he's at. And Takes care of most of those pesky flying insects. So what I'll do is I will find your smallest and are gnawing on what you're trying to do. I'll shrink it down. So when I was searching for light, I wanted to bring it down right, less right here. Sometimes I'll show it, sometimes I won't. It will run all night. Some people say to shove it off to the side, but then you have to deal with sometimes it's sticking out, so power and USB. I feel like it gets deleted. Like I shut it off or shove it off the screen, charge it. So I'll just put it right down here, and then I'm gonna do this one. Auto allows it to turn on just like that, almost like I'm categorizing my own. Let's go say bug zap. Now you can see already, all right? And then for 2 days, I hit next, and you can see here, this is the one thing I don't like is that CapCut automatically, because I transferred it over, puts that in there. Now it seems that even when I erase it and I don't use it here, I erase it there. Once you post it, it still adds it as a feature to your video. So right above where your name is, if you ever use a filter or anything and it shows what it is, sometimes there's a little drop down screen. It will say CapCut in there. So I don't necessarily want everyone to know that I use CapCut. I don't want people to know, certain things that I do. I want control over this. So I'll go ahead and put my captions. I'll put my hashtags. I'll edit my cover. So this is where I would say put bug zapper. There's that bug cashier again. Zapper. All right, and then I just place that in the middle. I find a good scene. There we go, just like that. And I hit save. And then down on the bottom here, I leave everything else just as is. So in this case, I actually have a product, so I would hit product. Not everybody is in TikTok Shop for creators, but that's what you would do. And then you go ahead and post it. Or if it's a draft for now, you go ahead and draft.
To confirm whether or not
I'm going to draft that.
Strategy to test the.
Now, usually if you stay in TikTok, engage. Go to your For You page and make sure to engage. So now that that's done, I'm going to go directly back into TikTok.
Endurance of creators in terms of like how often.
Plus sign. And there I am. I'm going to go into my videos. Stop the one that I already had downloaded.
Like mine. Anything we have, anything outside,
and it's going to be the same
putting it alive. If your summer's been anything like
that one,
how we tried to do anything outside, we always get stopped by mosquitoes, gnats, anything gnawing at you and biting away. I'm going to go through it, having it cancel and bugs out inside early. That's what I found. This little unit right here, 4500 volt, solar powered bug zapper, takes care of most of those pesky.
For time's sake, I'm taking a regular face in your ear done
and are gnawing on you while you're trying to go down to the bottom. So when I was searching for light,
go to next. And as you can see, there's no hashtag CapCut. And I would do all this the same. And there with my banner, save that, go ahead and hit post.
And
I'm just going to throw it into my draft right now. So now that I have that done, I still have my video
actually makes a
How about we cut some meat? So while we're going to make some beef jerky, I wanted to show you this meat slicer. So it comes with this meat holder here. All I do is take this, put it down, and I turn that knob, which suctions it to the counter. Now this is our knife. This has a cover. And also, it's how about we cut some meat? We're going to make some beef jerky, but I wanted to show you this meat slicer. So it comes with this meat holder here. All I do is take this, sort it
my banner right here.
How about we cut some meat? We're going to
says jerky shortcut tip right there.
How about we cut some meat? We're going to make some beef jerky. So
if I go through
and stop moving the camera. Joel, how many times have you been? All right, hold up. So check out this light by Ningbo here. So I heard women like beards. So I've been growing my beard out.
Over 40.
Your life
media
is your story.
So after I cut my meat, I want to throw it in my new dehydrator by Kasori. This comes with a recipe book. And
Go out there and become the type of person that when your feet reach through
how that can really push your videos out even further. And these are videos that are hitting anywhere from 700, 600, 4,500, 1,100, 1,500, 9,000. So you can see that they're really hitting the audience that I want them to. Not all the time, but I'm still trying to fine tune my video dispersion on TikTok.